Let's delve back to set up organizations. Organizations act as distinct business units tailored to fit various industry needs. Whether a company operates from a single site or opts for centralized information, our platform offers flexibility. Organizations can remain singular or be divided into multiple units to suit specific operational requirements. To demonstrate, let's create a couple of organizations as examples. This can be easily achieved by selecting the Create button and assigning a name to each organization. For instance, let's consider a hotel in Cancun that we want to segment. Here, we can add users pertinent to each segment, ensuring access aligns with their roles through our permissions setup. In this scenario, Michael, Dana, and Louis serve as representatives of the staff within the Cancun hotel organization. Once saved, our primary organization is established. Subsequently, we can add more organizations, such as a hotel in Los Cabos, one in Phuket, and another in the Maldives. This demonstrates the platform's capability to effectively compartmentalize information. The next step is to assign the users working at each organization. In your particular industry, there might be a need to categorize your organizations into North Plant, South Plant, or East Plant. If you're working with only one organization, the preset organization in the general settings will automatically become the default hub for managing all your information. This organizational structure is crucial. It ensures that every piece of data inputted into the system is associated with a specific organization. This not only provides a structured approach, but also offers a comprehensive global data view for the org admin. Moreover, users can access and view only the information relevant to their organization, enhancing efficiency and data security within the platform.